Hey y'all, how's it going? So today I'm going to be going over the trade that made me $592.20. And today in this video, obviously you can tell I just woke out of bed. That's why I look chopped right now. Sorry for that in advance. But yeah, let's just go over this. So as you can see, this is the trade that I took. And this was a really kind of strange trade because this candle had such strong displacement. And I was not intending on that. So let me just go through the whole process of what I was looking at. So on the 4 hour, or I start on the daily. So I didn't start on the daily today just because it's new week opening. And there wasn't a gap, so I don't really care too much about that. There wasn't really anything crazy except this huge fair value gap that we might be targeting later, which I do think price kind of tried to rebalance in the daily time frame today. But yeah, whatever. So 4 hour, let's see what I saw. So there wasn't really too much to look at. I just marked out these lows, this low right here, because it would be a good point to target later on. Probably not today, but I don't think we might. I don't think we'll hit it today, but whatever. So on the hourly, I just kind of look around. I marked out these highs, which price already took, which is where I targeted and took my trade at. So this was my bias, this high right here. Took the trade there, and it hit because I knew that was where price wanted to go. Let's move down to the 15 minute. So this is where I marked out my gap. So boom, when I saw this 15 minute, I entered off of the inversion of this gap. So you see this gap right here, price closed above it. That's my entry. So move to the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, I did not enter on the 5 minute. Don't get confused by that. And it looks like we're retracing now, which this fair value gap is totally irrelevant because price already inversed it. I don't care about it anymore. It already filled the liquidity. And there were some more trades you could take today, which I do think this price might take out this low today in the 5 minute. And I probably could get a short off of this, but I don't want to. I'm fine with my one trade. I'm perfectly happy that Jesus Christ blessed me with this mindset today, discipline, consistency. And yeah, the changes I've been seeing have been detrimental recently, really good. And I'm super happy for that. It shows my work's paying off. So yeah, let's just go back into this. Okay, on the 1 minute time frame. So I saw displacement at 9:30 or 8:30 open. So 8:30, where's open? Okay, so right around here. Right here. Okay, this candle downwards. So I always take the first candle as manipulation. So this candle, bearish candle, did not close too low, but it went all the way down here, swept all this liquidity, and made relative equal lows right here. So right then, I'm looking for manipulation, then distribution. So, which happened perfectly. So as you can see, manipulation candle went down. If you don't know what manipulate means, it's kind of like for example, say I manipulate you into thinking something that's totally wrong. So what price is doing, it's bullish, manipulates you into thinking it's bearish, then shoots back up, which I've caught. And that's kind of what price does during news, during FOMC, and whenever the board and press banks talk, it does that too. So I caught this trade when price closed above this fair value gap, entered for, targeted this high that I marked out for 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.3. So I risked like 350, gained 592.20, and that's pretty much it. So let's check out the stats. So I did just take a payout. The payout should be coming in either today or tomorrow. But this week, it's the start of the new week. Stats are looking really good so far. Only one losing day out of these past 3 weeks, and I'm super happy with that. Jesus Christ blessed me. If you guys don't know Jesus Christ, DM my Instagram. I will tell you guys my whole story, and I might make a video on that, my whole story of how I wanted to start trading. But yeah, I'm nowhere near where I want to be. And if you guys are here right now, you guys are super early because this is just the beginning. This is just the start of what I'm gonna do. And so yeah, the monthly P&L is 2.6, which is great for me because I'm just trying to just do this. This is what I'm gonna do full time out of high school and in high school too. And I took first period off so I could do this. And yeah, so my best trade on the account was $992.20. Average winning days 813, average losing 337. Super happy with that. Back testing really pays off. I'm not gonna lie. That's how I found out some of the movements of the charts. And yeah, so the profit factor is 2.4 to 337, which is really great. And yeah, I'm super happy with today. Jesus Christ blessed me with a great day of discipline, consistency, and just a good mindset. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in another trade recap or another video. See y'all later. Adios.